Hi, my name is Alberto, and today I'm going to be talking about illegal study drug abuse at Texas Tech University. Did you know that a study conducted by the Hub at TTU concluded that over 60% of tech students actually illegally consume study drugs? Now, for those of you who don't know what a study drug is the name given to the group of drugs that improve memory. And these drugs are usually prescribed to people who have ADD or ADHD, but are abused by college students by buying them through dealers or through friends. Now, the reason why college students abuse them is because they help maintain high level of memory retention even if sleep deprived, which is a big problem college students face. Some of the problems faced are, well, first and foremost, the legal issue. Study drugs are considered a Schedule II drug. This actually means that they share the same category as cocaine or crystal meth. And this is due to their high level of addictiveness. So study drugs can be very addictive. But they don't only share that, they also share the same prison time. So if you buy, sell, or consume illegally these study drugs, you can possibly look into very serious jail time. Another big problem is the disruption in sleep patterns, because a lot of these drugs are taken to avoid sleepiness. Students that abuse them tend to have very weird sleep patterns and tend to be unable to fall asleep at night. This leads to it being a gateway drug because these students start consuming other drugs to bring them down and help them fall asleep easier, which is a very big problem because some students maybe only drink alcohol, maybe others take it a little farther and take marijuana, but there are a bunch of other students that take it even farther and consume even more dangerous drugs. And the worst part of it all is that we don't even know if they make us concentrate better. There's no empirical evidence that concludes that people who don't have ADD or ADHD actually concentrate better when taking these drugs. They basically just keep you awake longer. So is it really worth it? Now the cause is centered around college basically. So you go during the day, you spend your day at school taking classes, and then the rest of the afternoon you spend it doing homework. So because students want to enjoy the college experience to the fullest, they also want to have time to meet new people, to go to parties, to play sports, or some people to work. And the fact that you're so stressed and overcome with always thinking about school makes it so much harder to find time to do these things. So students are actively seeking a way to use their time more efficiently. And these drugs paint the idea that you can actually do so if you consume them. Now, the solution to the problem, and I'm very passionate about my particular solution because I believe after the age of 18, you are absolutely responsible for the decisions you make. So what I want to help is to raise awareness to what can happen if you consume these drugs. I want to help you make the most educated decision possible. This means that I hope that after hearing my speech, if you ever plan on taking one of these drugs illegally, that you understand that you could face some serious prison time, that you are taking a highly addictive drug, and that you could be disrupting your sleep patterns, which in the long term will really affect what you do on your everyday life. So thank you so much for your time, and I hope you take a little piece of what I'm trying to teach today. Thank you.